Let's fucking go. Sorry for the late start. You already know what it is. Work got me all caught up, and I got a late start on work. But I am here now. You guys ready? I got some interesting little traditional market gammas and gexes for you guys. All right, we got a lot to do today. And real quick, you guys, today is February 1st. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. But we are now in February territory, so congratulations, you guys. First day of the new month, all right. Faujian, what do you think is this FOMC meeting going to affect? I'm not sure, Faujian. Like I said yesterday, I don't know if it's going to be 25 basis points. I don't know if it's going to be 50. I don't know if it's going to be bullish or bearish. I don't know if it's priced in or not. But I do have a feeling that the first move is going to be a debate. So if it scam dumps and it gets to an area that I like, I might try to long it. If it scam pumps, I'm going to try to short it. So on that thesis, I would actually prefer a scam pump. I mean, there's all this Binancio Magneto. Oh, actually, never mind. There's no more Binancio Magneto up there. This guy canceled it. So, because I think that we go down. So it would be awkward for me for it to go down because then I'm going to have to long it, right? I would prefer a... Focacino says, what about MJ Burry calling the dump? Well, like I said, brother, like first off, he's not that great, like, you know, with timing like me, right? He sat through like almost negative 30% like Sato's ass, right? Michael Burry was Satoing for a little bit. He was like negative 30% in his fund. So the timing, he might not be able to get it right, you know? And if this fucker goes all the way to 4,200, then yeah, I would short it. You know, but this could go, and we've had these levels for weeks. You know, it's not like we just drew them the last couple of days ago. We've had this shit for weeks. So, you know, 4,200 is absolutely possible before we go back down. So, but best believe I'm shorting up there though. So, alrighty. I feel like Burry is too mainstream and that market makers use him as a puppet to full retail, but who knows? Well, yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, who knows, you know? But that's why I always say, I don't care if you're bullish or bearish. I want to know what your thought process is. What's the data, the variable, the metrics, the indicators that you're looking at to reach that conclusion? You know what I mean? And on that note, Burry is pretty on point. And then 41 hundo, 4150. We're going to draw a box. QQ, what's going on? What are you expecting? The only thing that I can probably only expect is that the initial move is a debate. Yeah, I would like a scam pump first, you know, but I would prefer to be getting into shorts. So whether it's scam pumps or it dumps, you know. I don't want to hear anybody telling me that they lost a lot of money today. Today should be a calculated risk day. The only thing that you're guaranteed on a day like today is that you're guaranteed volatility. All right? But it's not easy by any means. So that's why all the traders like days like today, because the volatility is guaranteed. But is it easy? Nope. Happy FOMC, ladies and gentlemen. Happy FOMC, ladies and gentlemen. 20 seconds away. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck to all the Lions. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Numbers are out. Hot diggity, hot diggity. Here we go. Costco hot dog time. Oh, snap diddly. Oh, snap diddly. Oh, snap diddly. Let's go, shizzle. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay, okay. You guys remember? Gex flip 4027, 4027, 40. Oh, big cornea. Gex flip at 4027. What do the markets want to do? What do the markets want to do? Gex flip at 4027. What do they want to grab? Don't trust the initial move, ladies and gentlemen. What is it? What is it? What is it? Uh-oh, snap dizzle. Snap dizzle. Snap dizzle. Bitcoin don't care. Bitcoin don't care. Bitcoin don't care. Bitcoin don't care. Bookmap, you know what? I'm gonna zoom in on Bookmap. I'm zooming in on Bookmap. Here we go. Look as I'm zooming in. Bitcornio. 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 Switching to 15 minute. Switching to 15 minute. What's it gonna be, S&P pers? What's it gonna be, S&P pers? Bitcoin don't care. We're gonna scam pump first before the dump. Bitcoin don't care. What's it gonna be, ladies and gentlemen? S&P. S&P. What a battle. What a battle. Fighting. Big orders coming in. What a battle. They can't even, bears can't reach Gex flip and bulls can't reach the gamma walls. Bitcoin though. Be careful. I mean, for me, I have no fucking clue. It's bing, bing, binging. And what am I supposed to do? It's bing, bing, binging. Like we talked about, the two biggest gamma walls on S&P, 4,100 going all the way to 4,150. The second biggest is that 42 that is still within one standard deviation. And that is our box right there. Look at this target that we, I hate being that guy, but we drew this shit weeks ago. Daily S&P, look at that. So I think, this one, and these are daily candles, so still got time for that juicy little sholte. But how cool is this? Imagine trading and not having this. Not understanding where the Gex flip was and not understanding where the big gamma was. You could have been sitting there thinking, why the fuck are we pumping? Why the fuck wouldn't we if there's hundreds of billions of dollars betting that it's going to be going to 4,100 or 4,150, right? So this is when some people trade without understanding options. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? That's okay. But boy, every time we have that little helper, Gex flip and gamma, we don't pay attention to it every day. I tell you guys when it might be important, when it's significant. Today was one of those days. We're going to scam pump first before the dump. Check meta. Oh, yeah, we looked at it earlier. Bing, I still have it. I've had meta since day one, so yeah, this is nice. Very nice. Mandalo, shout outs to Zuckerberg. But let's see how the markets treat this, because it'd be hella funny if we just do this. Zuckerberg. No, this is Zuckerberg. Straight out of the Goldman Sachs playbook, ladies and gentlemen. Take a screenshot. Scam pump first before the dump. The viewer count is low and intimate. We got a shot, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. We're gonna do three games. What is it? Hold on. Fuck, where did I put it? Exclamation play. I'm gonna start the timer. All right. Kaskaku representing the non-subs. Alosen, let's go. Pixie. Let's go, boo-boo. Let's go, boo-boo. Jima. Kaskaku. You slide motherfucker. You just went right through. That was fucking amazing. Let's go. All right, Pixie, I see you. Neck and neck. Non-subs leading the way. Top 3 is non-subs. Let's go. You guys are eligible too. Let's go. Did I go get something to drink after marbles? And we're going to go big on the gamba, ladies and gentlemen. We got Pixie. We're going to watch the charts, though. Best believe we're going to watch charts. We got interesting earnings tomorrow. So, I mean, If Facebook can do that bullshit, is there anybody? Hey, Pixie, congratulations, Pixie. Pixie! Oh man, what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, slash poke. Oh, I think slash poke got it. Slash poke, congratulations. Show yourself. Okay, Miame, here we go. It's between you and Z-Man. Oh my God, Ezebi is there too. Oh shit, Miame, see? Miame. Oh my God, that's some fucking crazy. You can't. That's a movie right there. This is the finish line though. I'm gonna just be waiting right here. It looks like Ezebi, Diligent, Chew Toy, Logic, Allo Sen kind of approaching. Here we go. Whoa, Diligent motherfucking Chew Toy. Diligent motherfucking Chew Toy, stand up. Where are you? We're gonna scam pump first before the dump. You guys stay safe, all right? Happy Wednesday. Happy first day of the month. All right, rooting for each and every one of you guys. I'll see you guys in about what, like 7-8 hours? Less than that, probably. All right, you guys, thank you so much once again. Stay safe. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys, all right? Be disciplined. All right, we got earnings tomorrow, and then Friday we got options expirations. FOMC weekly options expirations. All right? All right, so might. I see you. Stay safe, you guys. Get out of here. Get some rest, get some sleep. Love you guys. Plus Yoda, I see you. I'll see you guys. We'll regroup in 7-8 hours, all right? European Lions, International Lions, hold it down for me. That boy Houston, let's go.